Got my lockers in the mail. It's PSP Rockband Bundle. Show you here. Alright, let's open it up. Got some papers. Thanks for redeeming points at lockers. We appreciate your support and hope you enjoy the prize. Got a receipt. Here's the actual prize. And there it is. Let's open this up so you guys know I'm not bullshitting. This is real shit. God damn it. This is tough. Yep, cut myself. Alright. Jesus Christ. This does not want to open. Try it from the other side. Cut myself pretty good here. Alright, show you guys. Here's the PSP. Nice. Got some guides. It's like a movie voucher. That kind of shit. The Rock Band game. Memory battery, memory card, and charger. And the PSP. This is a little bit light. Alright. From Lockers. Not a scam. Thanks, Lockers. Peace.